This is a super easy snack. Let me show you how to do it. So you've got the self-raising flour, a good amount of grated cheese, good amount of chopped parsley, about 2 tablespoons. Now we can just crack an egg straight into this mixture. No need to whip it or beat it beforehand. A couple of tablespoons of Be Well Creamy Gourmet straight in there. A touch of cold milk and a bit of black pepper. You can add some frozen corn or whatever your heart desires. What you're after is like a fairly dry mixture. So this is what you're looking for at the end of the day. So what we want to do now is grab a muffin tray and give it a generous spray with this canola baking spray to make sure that they don't stick. And now spooning big amounts of this delicious mixture straight into your muffin trays. So as soon as you've scooped and divided this mixture into the 6 muffin tray, you're going to pop it straight into preheated air fryer at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes until nicely golden brown on top. So after 12 minutes, these muffins are beautiful and golden brown on top, bubbling with cheese. Just look at these. If you want to know how to do this, follow this recipe.